winch install time. It does have a wireless remote. It is water, snow, mud, and sand rated, I guess. It is the amphibious series, allegedly. So let's get to cracking this sucker open and getting it put right there. Yeah.
My story is the story of a man who starts off at the bottom and with a bit of hard work continues along the bottom and finally ends up at the bottom. Hey, this is Classic Cars and Comics. Thank y'all very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's roll.
I'm just gonna put a pilot hole down through there, I guess. That way I know where I'm at. So I'll get out a drill and run just a small pilot hole to where I know I just don't want to hit anything, and I might end up having to remove this bumper, which is not fun. And as luck may have it, it is directly over the top of this housing. I don't know if that'll be a problem or not. So that's a look at the bolt length, only going through the single plate. It'll have a little bit more thickness up here because it's going through this additional part of the bumper. But yeah, just gradually stepping up drill bit sizes. And you can see there's daylight down there, but I've got to go straight down into that housing. But just going to gradually step up to the size I need. Now I want to make sure that I go in here and paint these, but bolt should come back up through there now. But I'll drop a little bit of paint in here just to fix the problem of rust. And because nothing's ever easy, there's not enough clearance in here to get a bolt up to there. Sorry, I'm just a smidge off. I'm gonna be honest, this would have been easier to probably just take off the bumper and get to it, but it is secured down by all 4 bolts, and now it's just time to put on the top part of it with the wiring. Okay, about to be the moment of truth. I've got everything wired in back here. I got to tighten that down. Dadgummit. I got the wires run. One of them I tucked back in behind the fender. The other one I just ran straight up. There's a little hole right there, and it's got this sheath around it, so that should keep it from getting damaged. Ran this one down this side and hooked in. Ran the negative down through, over the river and through the woods and into there. So I need to tighten this bolt down real quick, and then I'll get back to it. Okay, like I said, I have no experience with winches other than one. I've got one on the 4-wheeler, but I didn't install it. So let's see if we plug this in. Nothing there. Oh, we do have a light here. I have no idea what that means. Oh. Alright. We got the power. Yes. I have the power. I forgot to check these hole sizes for the fair lead. And so I've had to go in here and Dremel them out just to make them a little bit larger, then I'll paint them. And now, goes in there easy. So this is how we're doing it. Just slow and sure, then take some breaks. So far, so good. we've made the initial pass and then a pass back. And now you can see that we've got a little couple right here. I've been giving a couple minute breaks in between each pull, but I'm about to fire it up again and get to running. Hopefully never have to use it. These are going to be what I hopefully need. So here's what my sound system is currently sounding like right now. And this is just on front audio only. Is the volume on here. No sound out of this one at all. The only way I get sound out of this one is if I push down on the cone, and then it'll give you a little bit of sound. Let me fade back to where I'm getting all audio in here. Okay, now this is with the fade in the middle, and this is about ear level for the driver. Remedy that. It's gotten all kinds of dirty and all kinds of messed up, and I mean you can see it's rusted out and everything. So, and it would only work if I did like this. So it's time to get it replaced, and let's go. Okay, so let's hit the song again, and I'll get to the right volume. This is at idle right now. Filmed a video before, but before this you couldn't hear anything, especially like at 60 to 65 miles an hour, because the front speakers didn't work. So we'll turn it up and see what we got. And of course I lose my sound. Oh, went sleep. So this is still at 25, which is better than what I ever had before. But if I turn it up,